I'm busy, man. I'm Santa. I gotta deliver all these presents in 3 days. Hey, you! Merry Christmas! Yeah! Hell yeah! Oh. All right. Ho, ho, hold these nuts. Welcome to the video. Merry Christmas. Today is the Sunday before Christmas, and I have a little free time, so I figured let's go on a ride. Let's get up the bike. Let's throw the little Santa hat on. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, man. Merry Christmas. I'm just gonna be like the queen, dude. I'm just gonna... Hello, Merry Christmas. Hey. Oh, yeah. My goal for this video is very simple. Super simple, easy premise. I am Santa Claus. I am here to bring cheer and joy to everybody that I can. Let's go. Oh! Over here! Merry Christmas! Hell yeah! It's actually funny enough, riding here, it's like my third time seeing another Santa. These guys are better Santas though. They have the coat, I just have the hat. Oh, it's getting hot in here though. This helmet is considerably hotter with this hat on it. I will say, it blocks all the vents. And it makes it so it's hard for me to open my visor. But here, watch this. Whoa, I can do anything. There we go. Just gotta slide it under. Here we have the beautiful Oceanside Pier, which is a staple in North County beaches. This is the beach I grew up going to my entire life, and it's still one of my favorite beaches around. Hell yeah. See, they're smiling. People smiling, people goofing. That's what it's all about. Merry Christmas! We goofing. Are my lights even on? They are, yeah. They better be. I'm gonna go. Merry Christmas, guys. I should have given them the go, but I'm busy, man. I'm Santa. I gotta deliver all these presents in 3 days. Merry Christmas! Unfortunate for you, but Merry Christmas to the officer. Merry Christmas! If I did a wheelie right now. Look at this coast. Oh, look at that barrel. Merry Christmas! I need to say that better. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Oh, she didn't look. I didn't say anything either, though. Win-win. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Hey, you! Merry Christmas! Yeah! Hell yeah. Ooh, wait, no way that's free. Hold up, what is it? 40 bucks? What is it? Oh, man. Dude, I'll give him 20 for it. I could probably carry it on my back, too. I'll just strap it. The waves are kind of nice today. Makes me want to change hobbies for the day. No, I can't surf this. Merry Christmas! Oh, she smirked, though. She kind of smiled. Merry Christmas, guys. Oh, that's a sick fucking truck. Oh, I wanted to say something, but he wasn't looking. That's such a cool truck. Brothers! I wonder if they like Christmas. No way, right? Yo, my brakes are squeaking. I need new pads. Probably rotors too. Merry Christmas! They're not looking. Love you guys. You guys scrape us off the road. Appreciate it. Fiesta Liquor. This is the spot where I used to come get my Celsius every day before work. And then Pure Tacos, where I had to go get a margarita every day during lunch. Good times. Merry Christmas, guys. Everybody's smiling. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Yeah. Merry Christmas. Whoa. Oh, a bunch of e-bikers. They'll fucking wave, right? No? Yay, maybe. Merry Christmas. Haha. Yeah. Get f***ed. I made you wave. Dude, what is this stance? You have no pegs? Bro. That's crazy. Merry Christmas, though. Holy moly. Hell yeah, motivated. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. What's up? Hell yeah. She waved to me. I didn't even have to wave to her first. See, people are stoked for this shit. I love it. As long as it makes a couple people happy and like smile, even if it's just for a few seconds, it's worth it, man. Life's too short to be a Grinch. Merry Christmas. Nope. Not looking. Oh, she's motivated. I'm not gonna distract her. She's fucking fighting demons, dude. Undercover. Not very undercover. That's like the easiest way to. It's so easily depicted. You're obviously a cop, homie. Is he? Oh, no way. What a guy, dude. Watch, if I get pulled over right here, this guy hates Christmas, I swear. Oh. I appreciate it, man. Merry Christmas. Yeah. Nah, yeah, he's cool. Yo. Nah, he's. I was gonna ask him if he was a cop. You know, believe it or not, that's the second young undercover dude that I've encountered on my bike, and they're usually super dope like that guy, but it makes me wonder, like, what's up with our police force? A bunch of young guys that are undercover. I mean, I'm down with that, but I don't know, I just didn't expect it. I never expect it. Like, I expect that to be like some dude with a beard, not a dude who looked younger than me. Respectfully, with peace and love. I think there's a big Christmas tree here in this little outlet mall, so I'm gonna see if I can get a picture with it, and if so, we can end our video there. I might get security called on me though, so we'll we'll find out. We will see. Oh, this is a horrible mistake I just made. It's 3 days before Christmas, and I'm trying to go into an outlet mall. There's gonna be so many people here. Watch this. Never mind. This is the worst place I could have possibly gone. That could have been bad, but it wasn't. That could have been bad too, but it wasn't. I'm gonna piss people off right now because they suck and they drive a car. Watch this. Get fucked. Is that a cop? Dude, how many cops have I seen? I've seen like 4 cops today. That's crazy. I will say my left antler keeps covering my mirror, and that's the mirror I use most. Whoa, that's a big old truck. Is there space for me? There is. All right, so I decided to bail on the outlet situation because that was too many people, man. Too many people in one place. It brings out the worst in us. But I know there is a Christmas tree here in front of the theater, so here is where we're gonna be going instead. Why is there a bunch of e-bikes down there? Where are the kids at? Don't tell me they're in the sewer. That's dope. Exploring these sewers is one of the funnest things you could do as a teenager in Vista, California. There's some sketchy stuff down there. There are sketchy stuff in the sewers. But there are also a lot of cool things. It's like a rite of passage. Yo, that's the new version of my bike. I wonder if anyone will say anything. I doubt it, right? Merry Christmas. Oh, thank you, man. Appreciate it. That's pretty cool. Thanks, man. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. What a good time. Got the little kids. That's awesome. All right. That's probably good enough. All right. And I don't know if I think this GoPro might have died. I've been out here kind of riding for a while. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and close it out. Thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. To those of you who don't celebrate Christmas, happy holidays. I hope that you spend this time with your loved ones regardless and have a great time and show some love to the people that you love and get love from the people that you love. Remember to make someone smile in this awesome time, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.